Students of class 5th, welcome all of you in the online classes of SRPS. Today we are going to learn chapter 4, that is inserting objects in MS Word. This is the part 2. Let's start. In this chapter we will cover three topics. These are inserting pictures, inserting clip art images, and editing a picture. Let's see how we can insert picture or clip art image and how we can do editing. Yes, our first point is inserting picture. See, for inserting picture, you need to click on insert tab. This is the first step. Now you need to click on picture option, that is in illustration group. This is the second step. Now you need to choose picture which you want to insert. This is the third and final step. Yes, I have inserted the picture of our school building. Fine. In three steps you can insert a particular picture. Again, let's see. First step, click on insert tab. Second, click on picture option, that is in illustration group. Click on picture option. Now you can select the picture which you want to insert. Just click and click on insert tab. That's it. Fine. Through this way you can insert picture. Okay. Let's move ahead. Now we'll see how we can insert clip art image. Fine. How we can insert clip art images. Let's see. To insert clip art image, you need to click on insert tab again. First step is click on insert tab. Now second step, you need to click on clip art option in illustration group. In illustration group you need to click on clip art option. As you click clip art option, you will see a window in your right side. There are different clip art images. Clip art images basically ready-made images. If you are writing a essay on a tree or any occasion or any particular topic, you want to insert picture with that topic or with that essay, so you can insert that particular picture with the help of clip art. How? Let's see. See, in this you can insert picture just like if you want to insert picture of a cow, just click, that picture will be inserted. You want to insert a picture of Eiffel Tower, just click, that picture will be inserted. If you want to click a picture insert picture of a tractor, just click, that picture will be here. Okay. Now if you suppose if you're writing a paragraph on tree and you want to write a paragraph on the topic, that is tree, and you want to add picture with it. See, tree pictures is not here, so what you need to do, you need to type tree in search box and click on go option. You will see so many pictures of tree. So select one picture, tree will be here. Fine. Again, if you want to insert a picture of a car, just click on go option. You will see so many pictures of cars, so just click that image or that clip art image will be here on document area. Through this way you can insert clip art images. Fine. Now we'll see how we can edit a picture. Editing in picture. See, when you are inserting any picture, editing in picture, let's see, there are different pictures. When you insert any picture, just like this, fine. Now this is a picture, and size of picture, this picture is very small. I want to increase the size of this picture. So what I need to do, when this is picture selected, you can see 8 dots are there around this picture. These are called resizing options. You need to move your mouse on any of these dot. You will see this double arrow option. This is called resizing handle. Now you need to click and drag outside. Your picture will be, your size of your picture will be increased. Fine. Again, if you want to decrease, in the same way, in this way you can also decrease, just like this. If you want to increase the height of this picture, like this. If you want to increase the width of this picture, you can increase like this. Fine. So these are the resizing handle. By using this resizing handle, you can increase or decrease the size of the image. This is called editing. Fine. Now see, if you want to see, let's insert a picture, that is Eiffel Tower. This is the image of Eiffel Tower. Now I want to rotate this image. This is Eiffel Tower is straight, and I want to rotate this Eiffel Tower. How I can do it? What you need to do, you need to move your mouse pointer here near the green dot. When you move your mouse near the green dot, the curved arrow will appear. Now click here and move your mouse in clockwise. You can see the Eiffel Tower is moving. Fine. Again, now I want to move this Eiffel Tower in upside down. So again, move your pointer towards this green dot, click and move this in clock direction. Fine. Again, see, I can, now this is straight. Okay, in this way you can rotate your picture. Fine. Now these eight dots are there to increase or decrease the size of image, and this green dot is there to rotate the image. Fine. And this is done by rotation handle. Fine. Now if I want to crop this picture, how I can do it? You need to select this picture, go to the format tab. You will see crop option over here. Fine. So you need to click that option. Now you will see some brackets over here. Fine. So click on any bracket and move inside, or you can choose this option, move inside. See, in this way you can crop a particular image. crop an image means keep the particular part whichever you want. In a picture you can keep only a part whichever you want. Fine, I want to keep only this part, so this is a crop option. Fine, again we can use this crop option. Let's see, I'm inserting a bus. Fine, now again I'm using crop option. Now this bus has been cropped. Through this way you can crop a particular image. Fine, so in this way, in this chapter and in this video, that is part 2, we have learned three things. First one, inserting picture, second, inserting clip art images, and third one is editing a picture. So students, I hope you all have understood. If you have computer at your home, you should start doing practical. Do practice at your home, read your book and do practice. Thank you very much.